Y'all rocking with the fresh cut, bro. It's the big transformation. I realize this happens every single year. I always feel like I need to shave my head and completely change my physical appearance in order to match the new identity I've created for myself. This happens every single year around this time in February. I don't know why February, but every year it just happens. And if you feel like you're stuck in between a person you used to be, someone you want to be, shave your head. It is the fastest way for you to conform to your new identity. But that's besides the point. This 2024 monk mode video that I created about a month ago, we are going over what went well, what didn't, what I want to change about this, right? So sleeping 8 to 9 hours has been fairly successful. This is my whoop stats, right? We got a 60% recovery. But we got, out of the last 30 days, we got like 4 days of not enough sleep. 3 days of 6 hours of sleep, 1 day of like 5 hours of sleep. This was like early January too. But majority of my sleep has been at least 7 to 8, 9 hours. Actually really nice. This one day I slept for like 11 hours, bro. Damn. But it's really nice having a sleep tracker like this. I really do recommend y'all get one if you want to see how much you're sleeping, because you can be in bed for, I don't know, does this say? Yeah, you can be in bed for like 6 hours, but you only get about, what, 4 hours of sleep or something. And that's why it's really crucial having one of these like sleep trackers, so that you're able to tell like what's going on when you're sleeping at night, right? So we got this on lock. Sunlight, we got that on lock, bro. Like you just go outside. The weather's been really nice lately. It's been like 70 degrees in the wintertime in Texas, bro, which makes no sense, but I'm not going to complain because it lets me stay outside longer. So sunlight's on lock, diet's on lock. I haven't been fasting, if I'm going to be honest, because I have this insane caffeine addiction that I'm currently cutting. So we're going to add like no caffeine to this list, because I will go a day without drinking coffee and I will have these insane headaches, feel real nauseous. I don't want to do anything. I just want to go lay down in my bed, right? So we're getting rid of caffeine. Also, if I drink too much caffeine, I start throwing up. So we're getting rid of that entirely. I think next week will be like completely caffeine free, which I'm really excited for, because I've eliminated caffeine from my diet before. The constant energy you get is insane. You have no anxiety. Your stomach does not hurt as much as it usually does. It's like, honestly, the benefits outweigh the positives. Like, what do you get from drinking caffeine? All you do is just steal energy from your future self. So you're gonna have to pay that back eventually. You're gonna be more tired. So just get rid of this caffeine, bro. I'm gonna make a video about this later. Exercise, this is what we changed it to. It used to be boxing on here. I removed it. So we still got the full body 3 times a week, right? We got intense cardio 3 times a week, and then just like light walking mobility work every day, which is pretty chill. All this equates to about like 2 hours, which this is like really my biggest priority at the moment, because I've realized that I am only limited by this physical vessel. No matter how advanced I get mentally, no matter how advanced I get spiritually, if I don't work on my body, it's going to be holding me back. This is like my bottleneck, essentially. So I'm working on my body again. Like really, I've been really motivated to work out a lot more now, rather than just this wishy-washy working out because I feel like it type of stuff, bro. Working out, like, what is it? I would be working out 3 or 4 times a week for like half an hour a day and be calling it quits. Yeah, that's not gonna slide anymore, bro. We're gonna actually be able, making this a priority now. Learning, this is also a big change. We are getting rid of most of this and just do 1 hour of learning. because you can only consume so much information before you realize you know what you need to be doing. You just want to go read a book because you don't want to actually do the work. You know what I mean? You have all the answers. Not like I don't mean it in the sense that you know everything. You know, like you're like Einstein and you know you have all the answers in life. That's not what I mean by that. I mean that you know what you should be doing, you know what you should be working on, but you choose not to, thinking that you don't know enough, thinking that you need to read a book in order to understand this topic better, which absolutely keep on learning, consume more content. But there's a limit. You have to be able to create just as much as you indulge. If you are only consuming and not producing, your brain is going to get mentally fat. You know how if you can eat like the perfect diet, right? Perfect macros, eating as clean as possible. But if you don't work out, you're not going to gain muscle. It's as simple as that. If you don't work out, you're just going to get fat. It doesn't matter how healthy you're eating. You're going to get fat. As simple as that. So if you're only learning and you're not doing anything with that information, if you're not writing about it, if you're not creating some sort of art from it, your brain's getting fat, bro. And you're just going to start filling your brain with brain fog and you're just not going to be able to think. And that's why like this past week where I literally did nothing but stay home, sit on my couch, stare at my wall, trying to think because I needed time to think. And you can't think and learn at the same time because your brain is busy processing all the information you're feeding it. So you need to find time to think. And if you're learning all day, then how are you going to do that? So we're cutting learning down to like 1 hour a day, max. Meditating, that's on lock. Journaling, that's on lock. Connecting, we have deleted social media. I have a strong relationship with social media. I'll wake up and download every single social media app I have, use it every day for a week, delete it for 2 weeks, download it again just to see what my friends are telling me, then delete it. I have this love-hate relationship with social media that I can really talk about in a separate video, but I've decided that I'm going to delete it, bro. I don't have a need for social media. Growing my business, like it all makes sense later, but right now we're not going to do social media. Build and connect with community, we have not been doing much of that either, bro. Let me see if I can go to my Discord server where I have, can I click this? Where is my Discord? Bro, I have not been active in this at all. It's actually like really sad, but we lost a couple of members too, which is to be expected because I'm not even active in this. But if y'all want to join this Discord, join this Discord, bro. Like, I think every couple of days I'll post like a voice message, just like telling y'all my thoughts, telling stuff that if I talk about on YouTube, I wouldn't really be able to structure it in a video. So I'll just drop it in here so that y'all can actually listen to like what I'm thinking real time, right? So we got that. So we're working on that. Meet with like-minded individuals. I have been slacking on that too, bro. It's kind of funny because I think the first week I met with my friend. After that, I was too tired, bro. I did not want to go out and meet people. I just want to focus on myself, which is kind of sad because that's like literally monk mode 1.0, just staying by yourself. The whole point of monk mode 2.0 is for you to go and connect with the real world. So you just gotta level this up. We're gonna actually make this a minimum now. Spend time with family at least 1x a week, and then meet with like-minded individuals 2 times a week. All right. I think that's going to be like a better balance. I don't want to do it too much because I've realized that I don't really like spending time with people, which, as crazy as it sounds, because it is draining. People are draining. Spending so much time, you can only spend so much time with people before you start feeling like you just need to take a nap. So we'll figure it out. But right now we'll keep it to 2 times a week. I'll come back in a month and see how we're doing, right? Praying 5 times a day, that's on lock. To the mosque daily, I have not been doing that. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I've not gone to the mosque every single day. I go like 3 times a week or something, bro, which is kind of sad. So we're gonna have to level this up too. Dopamine detox, that's also been unlocked, bro. Like, come on now. This is like, once you do this for a while, no rap music, no porn, no substances, no social media, no video games. Once you do it for a while, it just becomes second nature, and you don't even have to think about it, right? So that is the changes I'm making to this monk mode protocol. And I wasn't, if I'm being honest, I'm posting this because I have like no time to film a video today, which is kind of ironic because my next video is about like not having enough time to cope. But you know, it is what it is. We're gonna post this today. We'll be back tomorrow with a new video. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Damn.